everybody, this is my homework. Shop, sheep, sheeps, cash, wash, chop, cheap, chips, cat, watch. The picture is put in the kitchen. Which programs did you watch last night? Cheap, chalk, cheers, edge, part, jeep, jock, years, edge, part, yap, large, edge, enjoy, ordering. Swiss was a long orange jacket. There's some joy in the fridge. This is my stories. My mother gets up at 5:30. She prepares breakfast for my family. My mother is a teacher, and she works at 7 o'clock. She gets to work by motorbike. My father is a builder. He works full-time. They have run a trail with my brother. In the afternoon, my mother likes cleaning up my house. Sometimes my father helps her. They are very, very happy. Both of them like homework. Both of them like housework. My father keeps on watching sport. I love my family. I love my love life. Thank you. That's all. Bye bye.